Pearl's Wave NGO, working for the rights of women, supports the harassed and abused, is looking to provide a platform for such women ill-treated in the hands of their partners or families. Bollywood stars Katrina Kaif, Saif Ali Khan and Harman Baweja came together in a press meet to show their support for the cause. Audio visuals of the Pearl NGO was also unveiled, having snapshots of women against violence and messages from celebrities like Janelia D'Souza, Vidya Balan, Ajay Devgan, Karan Johar, Priyanka Chopra, Shahid Kapoor and Abhay Deol pledging their support for Pearl's Wave.
Basically is what we're talking about, humanity. Wherever there's a man, wherever there's a woman, there is inequality in strength, and therefore the violence is especially wrong. Because the man can generally beat up the woman, because he's generally stronger. Of course that might not be true in some cases, but generally speaking, it's unfair.
I am very fortunate to say that no, I've never experienced that, nor luckily, by the grace of God, has any one of my 6 sisters, which I have. One sister in particular, if her boyfriend even raises her voice at her, she will just, just bring him right back down. So I think it's just important that there has to be, as Saif says, equality. That doesn't also mean that I'm being that ignorant to expect that, women, especially in the lower levels of society, can just get up and leave their home. We can't just walk out on their family and their husband. Many times they have nowhere else to go. So it is a very difficult situation. I don't think by us sitting here today, it's just going to solve it like that. No, it's a very difficult situation, and that's why, again, I say I think the main solution to the problem is to actually change the attitude in society that it is acceptable.
Helplines, there are a couple of NGOs which they should call friends and relatives. There's Breakthrough, there's Point of View that we just saw, Ring the Bell. Her relationship के अपने ups and downs हैं, though nothing justifies physical violence, nothing ever does, and I think it's upon the man to realize finally that he's stronger in strength. The woman is stronger in other ways, so if she's smart, she could outdo him.
So for those who wish to fight crime against women, this is the NGO to be with.